sponsors. When I say help for, you say heroes. Help for. Help for. I want everybody to put your hands above your head. Big clap for Help for Heroes. Everybody. In the US, for a similar charity that raised $3 million. However, here in the UK, 2 events, over £100,000. Big cheer for Help for Heroes. And big cheer for yourselves. Make sure you get over to their tent when you finish and keep the money coming in. It makes a massive difference for all our charities and, of course, Help the Heroes right over here. Listen, if you're suffering out there today, I want you to think about all those heroes, all those warriors across the world who have given their time, who have lost limbs. Because let me tell you, some of them have done this course, missing limbs. One more time. Massive cheer when I say help for, you say heroes. Help for, heroes. Help for, heroes. And don't get weak on me out there, folks, let me tell you. You want to know more about events? Go to our website. And if you're that insane, stay in the freezer between now and the next event you do. Folks, let's do the pledge. Everybody take your right hand, put it on your right over here, put it on your chest. Right hand, put it on your chest. I want utter silence here. This is not just about completing the course. Please, when I say it, you repeat after me. Here we go. As a Tough Mudder pledge. As a Tough Mudder, I pledge that. I want to hear it louder. I understand that Tough Mudder is not a race but a challenge. I put teamwork and camaraderie before my course time. I do not whine. Kids whine. I help my... Who said that? Well, you're in the wrong place, my friends. You must be a kid and stop whining. I help my fellow mothers. Complete the course. I overcome all fears. Ladies and gentlemen, give yourself a round of applause. Hug the person next to you, whether you know them or not. Give them a hug. Give them a hug. Now listen up, listen up. I want you to bring the house down. When I say tough, you say mudder. Tough, mudder, tough, mudder. When I say helpful, you say heroes. Helpful, heroes, helpful, heroes. When I say team, you say work. Team, work, team, work, team, work. When I say pride, you say together. Pride, together, pride, together. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get pumped. Everybody start jumping up and down. Let's get the music. Here we go. Everybody, come on. Now, here we go, listen up. Everybody give me a big cheer. Everybody, put your hands. You act like someone next to you. And bounce together. Bounce together. Here we go. Bounce together. All right, let's go. Come on. When I say tough, you say better. Tough, better, tough, better. When I say helpful, you say heroes. Heroes. I didn't say helpful. Helpful. Heroes. Helpful. Heroes. When I say no, you say quitting. No. Quitting. No. Quitting. When I say team, you say work. Team. Work. Team. Work. Let's let the smoke go. Let the smoke. All right, folks. Everybody, bounce. Come on. Everybody put your arms on the next person. And the other side. Big lines. Here we go. Everybody, big lines. Big lines. Come on. When I say tough, you say mother. Tough. Tough. When I say team, you say work. Team. Work. Team. Work. When I say yeah, you say yeah. 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 When I say hoo-ha, you say yeah. Hoo-ha. Yeah. Hoo-ha. Yeah. Here we go, all together, here we go. 10,